Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about how can we model the simple exercise inside the Fusion 360. So let's get right into this exercise. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to be a part of the conversation. Okay, so first I will make the base flange, and the total length becomes 80, and I will add this radius on both sides, so 20 plus 20, so mean 120 by 40. I will go for the sketch, choose this top surface, go for the rectangle, choose center point rectangle, and this one is 120. Press tab key, and this one was 40, and I will hit enter. Once you've done this, finish the sketch. Now if you look at the thickness, it is about 10 millimeter. I'll go for the extrude command and define the thickness 10. Press enter. Now go to home. Next I will add this portion, so the width is 40 by 40 and the height is also 40. So I will go for this face and I will sketch on it. I will draw again for a center point rectangle. When I adjust one side to this, it is 40, and click enter, and I will finish the sketch. Next I will pad and define the thickness 40, hit enter. If suppose this is 40, you can apply a fillet by defining the radius. Choose this edge and define 20, and you can add another edge divided by 20. Okay. Next what I can do, I can create a hole of diameter 20. For that I will go for sketch. I will choose this face and I will draw a circle, and now I will go for the sketch dimension, define the dimension 20, and do one thing, go for constraint and go for the concentric one. Finish the sketch. Again I want to just cut this section, drag this in opposite direction. Okay, next what I can do, I will apply a round of 20 again, fillet, choose all the edges and define 20. Okay, once you've done this, now what you can do, I will create two holes on this face. One is here and another is here. You can mirror above this plane as well. I will go for sketch dimension, and this is 20. I will go for the equal, make this and this equal. I will go for the concentric method, choose this and this, this and this, and I will finish the sketch. Next I will go for this region and this region, and I will create a cut, drag it in opposite direction, and I will hit OK. Now your part is ready. The only thing you can just apply is the appearance. I will go for appearance, and now I have some of my favorite one. I will apply this color, and I will close this. So hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you like my videos, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.